How to activate CIBC Costco MasterCard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your CIBC Costco MasterCard. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing that you'll need to do is open up a web browser and search for CIBC Costco MasterCard activate. After you do that, you'll find the website by CIBC where you can activate your card. So head over to this website, and as it says right here in the website, to activate your credit card you will need to sign in into your account first, and after that you will need to give your existing credentials and register, and after that you will have basically activated your card. So simply sign on if you already have an account. So tap on sign on and it should take you to this page. So let it load, and now all you have to do is enter up your card number, then your password, then tap on sign on, and then you'll get logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.